What? And yak.
Where do you have to put that? Good boy, look at that.
Yeah. There's
If you get that
the
dance,
yak.
Daddy's got a surprise for his little...
And bird.
Is it there? You have to check. Are you doing it right?
Mommy, I've checked this. Mommy.
Yes. You think that's right over there? You look on the picture.
About the picture.
Over there. What's here? Octopus. And then what's that?
A octopus.
What's on the octopus?
The bird is like that, Mommy.
Good boy.
Mommy.
Can you see what's here?
Is it? Put it this way on the phone, Mommy. Put it on the octopus.
Oh, that's it. Good boy.
And a bird on the octopus, Mommy.
Yes, bird under octopus.
And
What else?
there will be next time. Here, Mommy. The way to this way, Mommy. This bird make it a bird, Mommy.
Oh, good boy.
This, about this, about the baby make it to rain, Mommy.
It's okay. Okay, wait. Yeah, you have to wait because you're not supposed to do it here. Is it fall over? Is it broken? It's not fall over, is it?
This way down.
Oh, there you go. That better. Okay.
Yeah, coffee tea, Mommy.
Oh, where's the last one?
And flip it now. Yeah.
Yay! Look at that! Aren't you clever? Isaac make it.
Mommy. Isaac make that.
Yes, Isaac make that. Look at that. Very nice.